Hey everybody, how's it going? It's been a minute since I've made a video. That's because my engine blew in my car, but that's for another video. We'll get into that later. But I just got a sponsorship with Ortiz Custom Pods. So he's gonna make me a pod. I'm gonna send him my A-pillar out of my Cadillac. We're gonna put it in this box. We're gonna fill out this little form. He has year, make, model, vehicle, number of gauges, what size gauges. We're going with two 52 millimeter gauges. One of them is going to be a wideband, and then any other specifications that he wants, he'll make it however you like. My bottom one is going to be the wideband, but we're going to send this into him. He's going to make two pods. So when I get it back, we'll see how it fits. So this just came in the mail. Let's have a look. Here she is. Here it is installed. Dual gauge pod from Ortiz Custom Pods. Fitment is perfect. Placement of pods is perfect. Love it. No issues, no gaps, no nothing. Fits perfect back in place. I did paint it gloss black. It came flat black. I just wanted something different. I may try to find a color that matches the interior more, but overall, love it. Couldn't ask for more. Big thanks to Ortiz Custom Pods for hooking me up. You guys check them out, ortizcustompods.com. Love it. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at ATS_race_ready. Thanks everybody for watching.